Alright, hey everybody, Costos here. I'm back with a new episode of my Microsoft Visual Basic tutorials. Today I will be going over the animation things I did in my previous video, which will be, there will be a link down below. But today I'm going to go step by step with you guys to do it, and I will be doing it a little bit differently. I used specifically timers in my last video. This video I'm going to be using loops and completely eradicating the need for a timer. Anyway, so let's get started. I'm just gonna leave the name down here, Windows application, and you just want to create a Forms application. So as this loads, wait. It's taking a minute to load. Alright, so here we go. Come on. Just finishing loading here. There we go. Create this bigger. That's not what I want to click at all. I want to click that. Okay. Basically, I'm just going to be using a button, which is up here. Here it is. So I'm just going to be using a basic button. I'm going to use a label, and I'm going to start the label in the bottom corner. Actually, I didn't want to do that. So let's take the label, and there should be image. Let's see if we can load an image in here. No. Import. Let's go to my pictures. What do I got here? Will that work? No, that won't work. Let's see if I can do a koala bear. That won't work. Whatever. We'll use the koala bear's ear or something. And I'll set the size of it, which is here, to 100 by 100. And of course, it's not going to let me change the size. Why won't you let me change the size of you? Rage. See if that changes the size. Okay, that changed the size a little bit. Okay, stupid things. So let's get started. The button will, oops, that's not what I meant to do. The button is what will be moving the picture. So basically what we want to do is we want to do a do loop. Do until, actually, I'm going to do it this way. Do image 1. Sorry, that's not right. Label 1. Sorry. Dot top. Actually, I'm writing this wrong. Sorry, it's been a while since I've done this. Do label 1 dot, what do we want to do? Left. Left is the designated side in which of the label. I'll show you just here. See, because the label is right here, but the thing is about a form is a form can expand from the right side, but never from the left side, and from the bottom, but never from the top. So the default, actually the unchangeable forms of locations are top and left because they can't be changed. So doing right and bottom wouldn't make sense. So I'm actually gonna put that back there. So we use left as a designator for the sides, and it either can increase or decrease. So going from to the left is decreasing, going to the right is increasing. So if we do label.left equals label one dot, did I spell that right? Nope. One dot left minus me being the form can never go just form one dot whatever. It has to be me because me is a specified um, a specified uh, I can't think of the variable. Sorry, I couldn't think of the word for the form to talk about itself. Me, and then we want to do width. Um, Basically, what that does is it will move the label to the left um, until it is equal to the width, and then or equal to the width being uh, minus label one dot left equals label one dot left minus. Yeah, sorry, I just wanted to make sure I was doing that right. We got to do minus me dot width again, but I believe we can actually get rid of that. Yeah. So we want to do label one dot left equals me dot width, so the width of the form, minus me dot width, which is also the width, making it 0. Doing this, and then we want to loop it until label one dot width, or sorry, left equals me dot width minus me dot width, which will allow it to do this, hopefully. Yep, so it moves it right to the left side. It's quite quick. I haven't quite figured out how to change the speed of it, unfortunately. So it is quite quick. Okay, there we go. So, now we go for, I can't remember how to do these. Oh, nope, sorry. If, label one dot left equals me dot width minus me dot width, then now we just do our statement again. So I'm just going to copy this because it's literally these loops again and again. I'm going to do paste that. But this time we want to do label one dot top minus me dot height yes, height. Okay. And then do height again. There we go. No, I'm fine with height. Oh my gosh. I hate when it does that. And then we just gotta change this. Seriously? There we go. And then we do copy this, copy, paste, paste, nope, undo. Then we copy this do loop. Actually, we should copy this do loop. Um, Let me try something here. Let me try that. Now we're experimenting. I haven't tried this before. Okay, so we'll do that. So now we want to go and increase. So we want to do label.left dot label.left equals me.width plus sorry, I was thinking there. Yeah, equals me.width. Oops. Minus 100. That'll stop it 100 before the width. Then we loop until me.width minus 100. So now we have the first few, and we want to do this. I'm sorry, I'm just thinking about how I can get it to increment like I will with this one. I know. Equals me.width minus me.width. I think that's supposed to be height, isn't it? No, it's not. Plus 1. Will that work? Label.left equals me.width minus me.width plus 1. So it'll subtract. No, that won't work because it'll make it the width, then it'll minus the width and add 1. So what we want to do is we want to just do this. That. Because that will increase it to 1 until the loop equals me.width minus 100. That is what we want to do for that. From here, we want to copy this if loop that we just made, paste it. Oh, come on. Nope, that's right, never mind. Yeah, that's right. And then we want to just change this to copy and delete, paste. Here we want to do label 1 dot top equals label 1 dot top plus 1. And we want to do that until I just did the never mind. Label 1 dot top equals me dot height minus 100 again. That way it will be just above the bottom of the page. So in hindsight, this should all work. Let's find out. It does not. I've run into this problem a few times. I believe I need to change this to that. Ooh, close. Closer. So we have it moving to the left. Then we have it moving to the top. Now, why doesn't it initiate the left movement? Adding one to the left. Label 1.left equals label 1.left plus 1. That should work. Now why doesn't it? Let's figure this out. So label 1.top equals me.height minus me.height, so it knows when to stop. Do label 1.left equals label 1.left plus 1 until it equals me.width minus 100. That's quite intriguing. And why it doesn't move to this position over here. So I'm going to change. Oh. First off, that's wrong. I'm surprised that even worked. There we go. That was the issue. The issue was that I had left this loop here equaling to the left position minus 1. So that was jumping it straight from here up to here. And as you can see, it's a little bit slower. If I was to change it to the way I was originally writing it, it'd be a lot faster. But how I'm going to write this now is, what was I going to change? Minus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. I'm initially trying to slow it down to the fact. Apparently that math doesn't work. So let's try changing it to 0.5. And let's see if this works. Nope. Okay, so basically your delimiter or your speed in which it runs needs to be 1, which is a little bit fast, but it works. Oops. I meant to do end. Alright. So there we go. So that should work now again. Yep. And there we have it. So let's now try to do one more thing here. Let's bring up the form. I'm going to remove the button. I'm going to bring in where are you? I don't see it. Image list, not an image list. Huh, did they get rid of them? That would be interesting. Links list. Ah, they're called picture boxes now. Let's see if we can load in a picture. Let's, properties. So basically right now what I'm trying to do is I'm going to show how I originally loaded um, the picture of I originally loaded the picture um, of or the loading bar in my original video, and I will do it with this button here. So what I want to do is I want to copy all this. I want to oh, that doesn't work in this? Okay, well, apparently I'm not doing it that way. I wanted to try and tab everything with it. What the hell? Okay, strange. I'm assuming this is now named PictureBox 2. Yeah. Okay. So we got to do loop picture box 2 dot width equals picture box 1 dot width minus picture box 1's dot width. That should work. Why is it not? Operator 0 minus. There we go. So basically it takes the picture box 2 dot width equals picture box 1's dot width minus 0. That's not what I want to do. I want to physically change this width to that big. And I want to equal picture box dot 2 or dot width plus 1. Loop until picture box dot 2. I gotta stop doing that. Dot width equals picture box. Stop it. Stop it. Equals picture box dot 1's dot width then I want to do if picture box 2 dot width equals picture box dot 1's width. Then I want to take all this, cut, throw it in here, paste, Control S. I remember what I did wrong. No. Okay, I was gonna say. Image, none, carry. There's a way to make this size 0. Interesting. Why did that still run the picture first? Ah! Nope. Picture box dot 2 should be this one, right? Yeah, this is 1. Interesting. Why didn't that work? Picture box dot 2 dot width equals picture box dot 2 dot width plus 1. Loop until picture 2 dot box. Picture box dot 2 dot width equals picture box dot 1 dot, or picture box 1 dot width. I gotta say, stop saying dot. It's confusing me. A picture box dot. I'll do it again. Picture box 2 dot width equals picture box 1 dot width. Then do the loop. But for some reason, that's not working. Why? I don't know. How about I leave this till the next episode, and I'll make that a little project. Actually, see if I can figure it out. Basically, I can't think of how to figure this out right now. So, if you can tell me in the comments, I will mention your name in the next video. And if you found this informationable, I guess, not really a freaking word, knowledgeable, sure, let's say it that way. Remember to leave a like. Does kind of help. It shows me that you guys like what I'm doing and I should continue it. I'll come back with more animation stuff next time. Maybe touch up on some other stuff I'm not quite used to quite yet. I've been doing a lot of Java recently, not Visual Basics, so I'm still very rusty with Visual Basics. And if you really liked what I'm doing and you feel up to it, subscribe. For more, I will be doing a lot more of this kind of stuff, plus gaming stuff, a bunch of other stuff, on my channel. I've not really got time this semester, but I really want to get back into it, and start recording a lot more stuff and doing a lot more things. So there's a lot more to look forward to. Yeah, but still, let me know specifically if you're looking for anything for me to show you how to do. I'll try. If I can't, I can't. It's just not within my power. I don't know how to do it, but if I might look it up, try to figure it out. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this. Also, I'm going to try to make episodes about this long. This one's currently 29 minutes, 29:11. And so I'll try to make them within the 25 minute to 30 minute mark. If you want them shorter, let me know. I'll do shorter segments. Maybe even if I do something long, I'll do parts. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.